Hey friends, how are you? So excited to do December's box with you guys. Excited to see what we have in store for us from Potomac Beads. Yay! All right. Festive Radiance. The Festive Radiance treasure box glimmers with the lights and sparkle of the season. This curated collection of rich, radiant beads and shimmering accents is perfect for adding a touch of holiday glam to your creations. Included is a laser-cut stacking tree that can be crafted with knotting cord, to create a charming seasonal keepsake ornament. Very fun. Let every piece you make shine with the warmth and elegance of the season. All right, so that's what this is. That is our stacking ornament. I'll have to check that out. Ooh, these are so cool. Look at that. Check star beads. So fun. Look at the color. Huh? I thought emerald, and there it is. It's emerald. Look at that. So pretty. 4mm. Let's see if I can get things a little brighter here. Maybe that one? I don't know. We got some Bead Tech knotting cord. Woohoo! That is probably to go with our tree there. Oh, some other pieces to go with our tree. Mix Wood Pack Treasure Edition. Nice. Oh, okay. Look at that. I have to figure all this out. I'm not liking that color. Here, we'll switch this. Look at that water drop pendant crystal. Wowzer! Look at that colors. Oh, so pretty. Ooh, look at these iris duos. Ooh, got a AB finish on them or something. Look at that, so pretty. Look at these gold. Oh, crystal amber. Faceted round trios. So pretty. Oh, another emerald. Ooh, I love that color. Look at those mini round duos. So cute. Ooh, look. Oh my goodness, look at these. How pretty. Look at that AB finish on those. All kinds of fun colors in there. These are tubelip beads, crystal etch, vitriol full. Look at all that. So pretty. Oh, look at these cages. Our hollow filigrees. So pretty. So fun. Yay, some more of these crystal rose Monties. Look at that shine. So pretty. Look at these pearls, pale white. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, look at the pinks and purples and reds and oranges. So pretty. Love those colors. Woo! These tile beads. Definitely love the Picasso finish on them. Kinda. Look at that stripe in there. So pretty. Ooh! Look at these drops. Purple flare drops. How beautiful is that? Ooh! And fuchsia. Ooh! That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. 11Os. Alrighty. Thank you, Potomac. So many goodies. Wowzer. Now I gotta figure out how to use it all. Right? So pretty. Thank you, Potomac. Yay. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, and use my affiliate link to order. All right. Take care.